Elliot motor guys. Gamitin ko itong ginawa na tools. Ginawa na tools na jack guys. Kasi mag-change oil kami guys. Paangat namin guys itong para mag-change oil kami. Palitan namin yung gear oil guys. Itong symbol na tools namin pang paangat ng mabigat guys. Thank you guys for watching. Umaangat na guys. Umaangat na siya guys. Thank you. Bye. God bless us all. Bye. Thank you. Please follow, like, and share.